Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to analyze Steel Strip Fields Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss year on year results. That means we'll compare 30th June 2021 results with 30th June 2020 results. Before analyzing these results, we need to consider the effect of lockdown in current June quarter and previous year June quarter. Here amount in lakhs. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year 120 crores. This year 678 crores. So here revenue from operations increased from 120 crores to 678 crores. Here approximately 550 crores was increased. This is very good figure. Later other income. Other income increased from 86 lakhs to 2.2 crores. Now check expenses. First one is cost of material consumed. Previous year 73 crores, this year 460 crores. Here revenues increased from 120 crores to 678 crores. Due to this one, cost of material consumed also increased from 73 crores to 460 crores. Later change in inventories. Previous year they spent 2 crores, this year 28 crores credited. Later employee benefit expenses. Previous year 17.6 crores, this year 47.4 crores. Here employee benefit expense increased from 17 crores to 47 crores. That means 30 crores was increased. We need to find the reason why this much of employee expenses increased. That means the employee benefit expense increased due to management salary or employee salary. Later finance cost. It was decreased from 22.5 crores to 19.7 crores. So here finance cost was reduced, but still they have more debt. Later depreciation. Previous year 17 crores, this year 17 crores. We'll ignore this one. Later other expenses. Previous year 24 crores, here 101 crores. So here other expenses increased 75 crores. This is very high. We need to find the reason for what other expenses are increased. What we understood based on revenues and expenses. Here revenues increased from 120 crores to 678 crores. Cost of materials consumed increased from 73 crores to 460 crores. Later employee benefit expense increased from 17 crores to 47 crores. Finance cost decreased from 22 crores to 19 crores. And other expenses increased from 24 crores to 101 crores. Now check profit before tax. So previous year 36.7 crores loss. This year 62 crores profits. So here profit before tax changed from loss to profit. That is positive point. Later current tax. Previous year here they have losses. Due to that one they didn't pay any tax. This year they paid 9.7 crores. Later deferred tax they paid 1.3 crores previous year. Here 1.89 crores this year. We'll ignore this one. So later profit after tax. Previous year 38 crores loss. This year 51 crores profit. So this is a positive point. Here Steel Strip Fields profits changed from loss to profit. This is positive point. Later here paid up equity share capital. Here previous year 15.5 crores. This year 15.6 crores. Here equity diluted. Later earning per share basic. Previous year 24.43 rupees loss. This year 32.73 profit. So this is positive point. Previous year due to losses, here earning per share is negative. This year positive. This is positive point. We'll check few more points. Here salary related to management. So previous year managing director got 40 lakhs per month as salary other than commission with profits. This year also 40 lakhs per month. That means managing director salary didn't change. This is positive point. Now check valuation of Steel Strip Fields. Before results, PE of Steel Strip Fields is 32. After results, PE of Steel Strip is 12. Steel Strip Fields got very good results due to that one. So here PE was reduced from 32 to 12. This is very good sign. We'll check previous quarter's results. Here previous year June quarter results. 14 crores profits to 38 crores loss. So previous year they got losses. In September quarter, here 82% profits. In December quarter, 357% profits. In March quarter, 5 crores loss to 44 crores profits. So in each quarter, here profits are increasing. This is positive sign. And in current quarter also, profits increased from 38 crores loss to 15 crores profits. This is also positive side. What we understood based on this results is, last year June quarter results affected due to lockdown. Later September results onwards, this company giving good profits. Current year June quarter also affected with lockdowns, but their revenues are not affected. This is positive side. Due to steel strip wheels, good results. So here price also increased 3.46%. That means before results, steel strip wheels price is 1030 rupees. After results, 3.46% is increase, that is 1066. This is positive side. So conclusion is, PE before results is 32.7, PE after result is 12. So here 20 points PE was reduced. This is positive side. Pros are excellent year-on-year results, debt decreasing, undervalued based on 3 years median PE. 3 years median PE is 16.1, current PE is 12. That means if you compare current PE with 3 years median PE, currently steel strip wheels is undervalued. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.